Can you believe that it's already been 20 days of Advent and we're already on panel 20 here? It's been such a trip. We only got 4 days left after this, so make sure you're subscribed and you've rung that bell for notifications. So let's get started. Alright, so it is day 20. So we are going to open this up, try not to destroy everything. Yeah, I'm going to destroy everything. I'm just going to move some stuff around here. Desperately trying not to destroy this panel, but I just tore it. So let's see. We are building the little dude here, looks like. So, looks like it's like some sort of construction equipment, either a drilling machine, like a boring machine, the most boring machine of them all, or it's supposed to be like a backhoe or something, but it's got like a weird, it's got like a spear for the tool, so we'll have to see. And let's get started on this. Okay. Sometimes these diagrams are just, it would be almost better to not have a diagram, I feel like. So it's nice that they don't waste material and have like a pamphlet in every bag, but at the same time, you kind of wish that there was like, if it came with an instruction manual or something in the actual box that you just pull out and it's like, this is for day yada yada. Then you would know what you're getting in advance, and that would kind of lose the surprise. You could have it so that it's like, I don't know. I don't want to get it too complicated with that. You could have it so that like, as soon as you open it, you can only open one day at a time or something. There would be like a limit, or like it would tear apart or something. Or yeah, a QR code. Like I know they're doing that with the kits now. So if you had a phone or something, or even just like one of those like bit.ly or whatever addresses, so that you could just type it in on like a device, because some kids don't have smartphones and their parents might not want their kid using a smartphone, which is reasonable. I think that's entirely fair. But yeah, you think that would make sense. Have an easier way to describe it, and you could have literally zero, what's it called, like carbon footprint on that, on the instructions at least. So yeah, I'm building the tank body here. So in case sorry, I got off track there talking about that. So we've taken one of these 4-peg Technic compatible like teeter-totter bits. We connected a 2-peg red one there and a 2-peg with a clip on that side, and then we put 2 black Technic pegs in there. Those are the ones that have like the higher friction so they don't spin as easily. Now we're going to take these little 3 Technic peg ones, set them over here so they're like little tank treads. Woo! And I've assembled the arm here, I think. Yep, that's the arm. So it's just like a little 2-peg clip jobby and a red 1-peg clip jobby. And we put the little boring tool in there, or whatever this thing is. Maybe it's like a jackhammer sort of thing, or a laser. Moonbase Alpha. Comment down below if you get the reference. It'll probably be like just Dad. Be like, haha, Austin Powers. All right. Now we are doing the 4-peg and the 2-peg yellow, and we're going to build a little, not fuselage. I'm trying to remember what the term is for these. It's like a cabin, or yeah, the spot where the guy sits. And there we go. Bing, 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 bing. Because this is Star Wars, definitely, you know. I'm not just making noises and excited about Star Wars. Haven't seen it yet. No spoilers, please. Let us know down below, though, if it's good and if you liked it. So we've got a few extra pieces. Like I said in the previous couple videos, we're going to set those aside, probably do a bonus build on like the 25th or 26th. And yeah. Ooh, itchy. There we go. So there is the little construction tool thing. It's like a boring thing or a jackhammer or something, I don't know. But it's there. It's built. I thought it was kind of cool. It looks kind of cool. And these little spear bits will be handy for other inventions down the road. So let us know what you think in the comments down below. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We appreciate your subscriptions. And make sure you ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any of our regular content. We're going to be continuing this for the next 4 days. And after that, we are going to continue with our regular posts of Mondays and bonus content on Thursdays. So stay tuned for that. And we'll have some videos probably linked around here somewhere. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Joyous Noel.